Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kim Williams, and today we're going to talk about Yuri Bronfenbrenner and his ecological systems theory. Who is Yuri Bronfenbrenner? Yuri Bronfenbrenner is a Russian-born American, world-renowned developmental psychologist who developed the theory of ecological human development. This theory is one of the most accepted explanations regarding the influence of social environments on human development. The ecological systems theory argues that the environment you grew up in affects every facet of your life. Bronfenbrenner divided the entire ecological system in which human growth occurs into 5 subsystems that are organized socially: the microsystem, mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem, and chronosystem. According to Bronfenbrenner, these systems can nurture or hinder development. We have a model here that indicates that there are a number of systems that surround the child that have a direct or indirect impact on the development. This is Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory model. The microsystem refers to a child's immediate environment, for example, their family, their playgroup, their neighborhood, and their peer group. The mesosystem refers to the connection the children make between their immediate environment, for example, their home, and their playgroup. The exosystem refers to the external settings in the child's environment that are impacted directly on their development. For example, their father and mother's workplace. The macrosystem. This refers to the child's wider cultural context, for example, the economy and the changes in government. The chronosystem, the outer shell, this pattern of events that transitions in the child's life. The example of the bioecological system. This system includes their home, school, and peers, and the relationship among them. If a child is part of a home where they are mistreated or neglected, they may develop certain characteristics that they feel toward people. They may find it hard to develop relationships and trust others. Why is it important for teachers to know Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory? This theory allows the teacher to build relationships with his or her students and create a communication-rich classroom that includes the parents. It allows teachers the opportunity to understand situations that the families are experiencing, including social and economic factors. The teachers can use the model to develop personalized learning. It will also help them understand why students behave and learn the way they do. What does EST look like for the classroom? First and foremost, the teacher is to be a role model in the classroom. Teachers are aware of the issues surrounding the families represented within her classroom and keep lines of communication open. Bronfenbrenner believes that when positive relationships are formed between teachers and parents, the performance of the child in the classroom is more positive. The child must also be active in their learning, engaged both academically and socially. Working as a team with their peers and getting involved with learning experiences will also aid in positive development. These relationships also affect academics and behavior in the classroom. Examples in this category: teachers can visit homes to see why a child can't make it to school on time. A child's parent can attend a school event. A teacher focuses on helping a student regulate their behavior. And a teacher sends a project home to be worked on by both student and parent. Pros and cons with Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory. The pros: reminds us that influences on the outside have a great impact on the child's development and learning. Also helps educators understand why the partnership of home and school are so important for the success of the child. The cons: the theory does not take the child's cognitive ability or genetics into consideration. The terms and categories are not always specific. They are sometimes vague. And it does not describe how a child growing up in a bad environment can end up being successful. Conclusion. Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory is broken down into 5 systems. These systems define the development of a child, the factors of development that are controlled by the child, and the outside environment. As a result of his work in human ecology, these environments have come to be viewed as part of the life course from childhood to adulthood. The ecological systems theory emphasizes environmental sources to be the center of development. Thank you.